Hello everyone, nice to meet you. In this session, I'm going to show you how to make gable roofs, eaves, and ridge lines. It also includes attaching walls to the roof and the joint line representation of roofing. So please watch this video for about 14 minutes. I'm going to delete this roof part to start over. Now, let's get started. First, draw a reference plane one by one, in the center of the left and right of the roof, the front and back. Center of the left and right. Center of the front and back. I'm trying to determine the slope of the roof slab. I'm going to make the slope of 10 to 5. Wait a second. I'm going to specify the slope value of this reference plane. Dimension, angular. Check the slope. The length of the eave will be 600 from the center of the wall. Draw a reference plane as much as the thickness of the insulation. Also, draw a reference plane as thick as the roof finish. I'll adjust the length a little bit. Mirror. I'm going to make a roof now. Architecture. Roof. Roof by extrusion. Specify a new work plan center left-right. Draw by pick line. Choose type of roof slab. Finish. Select the outer concrete walls and the roof, and hide the rest. Align the roof's extruded surface with the left and right structural walls. And after choosing the wall, attach top to the concrete roof. The top of the wall was attached to the roof. Join them. Now I'm going to make the insulation part of the roof. Architecture. Roof. Roof by extrusion. Specify a new work plan center left-right. Draw by pick line. Choose type of roof with insulation. Plumb cut. Finish. Select the insulation roof and insulation wall and hide the rest. Align the surface of the extruded roof to the insulation surface of the left and right walls. Select the insulation walls and align it with the attached top on the insulation roof. Check in section view. Join them. I'm going to make the roof finish material now. Architecture. Roof. Roof by extrusion. Specify a new work plan. Center of left and right. Draw by pick line. Choose type of roof with finishing material. Finish. Align the extruding surface of the roof with the finishing surface of the wall. Select the finish walls and attach it to the finish roof. Attach top. So far, the main material layers of the roof have been divided into 3 and completed. From now on, I'm going to make 3 elements of the eaves. I'm going to start with fascia. Pick the edges of the roof. Check the type of fascia and profile. I'm going to change the shape of the gable. Turn view cube to left or right. Architecture. Component. Model in place. Roofs. Extrude. In forms. Set work plane. Pick a plane. And pick the face of gable. Draw. Mirror by draw axis. Check thickness and finish model. Join. Select it. Mirror. Join. Now, I'm going to make soffit. Architecture. Roof. Roof soffit. Sketch the area to finish under the eaves. Mirror. Finish. Check in the section view. Move it down the eaves. I'm going to make a gutter now. Architecture. Roof. Roof gutter. Pick edges. You can replace a section profile in the edit type of the gutter. Select and hide roof elements. Shortcut is HH. Inner concrete wall. Attach top to roof slab. Hide finishing walls. Create similar CS. Draw a wall to complete the wall structure at the top. Copy it and align to that wall. Select two walls and attach top to the roof slab. Join. Select the rest of the partition walls inside and attach them to the roof slab. Reset, temporary, hide and isolate. The joint line of the roof finish that is now made is represented by the pattern of the material. Replace with a non-surface graphic material. Now, I'm going to model standing seams of metal sheets. Architecture. Roof. Roof by extrusion. Specify a new work plan. Center of left and right. Draw by pick line. Choose type of roof. This type is a replica of sloped glazing. Curtain panel is empty panel. Set grid 1. Standing seams will be made with this spacing. Finish. Move it up and align it with the surface of the finished roof. Align the extrude side to the end of the roof. I'm done modeling standing seams. Now, I'm going to make a ridge cap. I'll do the same thing as I did before. Make a cross-sectional sketch. Mirror. Choose type of roof ridge cap with metal sheet. Finish. Align to the edge of roof. The roof is complete. Lastly, I'll make downspouts. Systems. Pipe. Set diameter is 65. Draw. Align. Select and move it. Copy. Select them all. Mirror. It's done. Thank you for watching. See you next time.